Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the document processing module. Document processing module is used when you would like to achieve more advanced functionalities working with the documents. Use cases like you would like to convert a document to PDF, but then in some state you would like to revert it back from PDF to Word. You would like to add watermarks, you would like to remove watermarks, you would like to add the image of your signature or at the specific part of the text. All of those use cases you can do with the extension kit document processing module. So let's check one rule for the document processing. Here I have one rule, which is like when the contract expires, you want to add a watermark expired to all pages of the document to prevent further use. So how it is configured. Here we have configuration mode is advanced, and I have defined that in the workflow, which is contract, in the workflow state expired, in that state action, I would like to do something with the document. In this specific example, I want to add watermark. If I check the configuration, here I can see the configuration for the watermark. So I want to add the text expired, which will have this red color, and then I want to add it on all pages. You can fine-tune things like the color opacity, size, and so on and so on. So when the document enters the state expired, extension kit will add the watermark. So let's see how this looks in the M files. We have some contracts here that are in state active. I'm going to choose the contract for video, and then you can see that once the preview is loaded, there is nothing inside this document regarding the watermarks. And then if this goes to the state expired, what will happen in the extension kit? Extension kits will automatically apply the expired watermark on the document. So let's see more advanced use cases. For example, working with the watermarks, you can select if you would like to add a watermark on all pages, on even pages, all pages, first page, all pages. You can define many different watermark rules, but then also you can select things like, okay, define the file name wildcard. So only if the document is of specific type, then only then apply watermarks on that. So that's the rule, and that's the configuration for the watermarks. But let's try to add another state action, and let's see what all those actions can be. So as I mentioned previously, you can convert it to PDF, many advanced options. You can undo PDF conversion, then you can add watermark, remove watermark. You can add signature. So for example, if you want to have the image of your signature, you can add this signature to the document. And then also in some cases you would like to remove the signatures. You can also do, you can restore the original. So for example, you can, if you converted the Excel file to the PDF, then you can choose in specific state of the workflow that once again you would like to get back the Excel version. For example, you would like to change something in the Excel and then convert it again to the PDF. You can also do merge documents and undo merge documents. So if you, for example, if I select the add signature here, the configuration for the signatures will look a bit different than we had for the watermarks. So you can choose what will be the signature type. It can be text or image. If we select text, you can choose, once again, very similar like with the watermarks, what text you would like to add. If you select the image, you can select how you would like to reference this image or find the image. You can draw a border, and then you can specify things like where you would like to add the signature. You can specify the location. So you can select what will be the anchor, and then you define the offset. So you can define exact position in the document where the signature will be added. Or you can choose placeholder. If you select the placeholder, you can define the piece of text that extension kit will find in your document, and wherever it appears, it will replace the placeholder text with with the signature. So for example, if you have the image of your or signature or stamp, for example, and you want to add your stamp to many different places, you can just define, okay, here goes stamp, and we will replace here goes stamp with the actual stamp that is referenced here in the extension kit. Just to sum up, with the document processing, you can achieve many different and advanced document processing use cases. Here I have shown you some let's say mostly used functionalities, but once again, as you could see, there are many advanced configuration options which you can use for fine-tuning your use cases with the document processing, as well as with every other module. Thank you for watching this video.